Alright, so I'm at the point again with my for the end of my dreads, I keep getting back damaged. See, what I used to do was I used to deep condition it twice a week, and the ends got healthy, you know, like this, like, you know, regular end. But now it's starting to get the little balls, well, you know, the little things at the end like this. It's starting to create a little hairball, and it's getting real thin, and then it's gonna fall off. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna have to do is start deep conditioning it again. I don't know why I do that. I sleep with the silk hair cap on, so it ain't because I'm sleeping too rough. I don't know. I guess it's time to start back deep conditioning. I guess that's how you can fix your damaged dreads. Sleep with a silk hair cover, whatever you want to call it, and deep condition your hair. Right, that's what my hands were. But what I was saying was start back deep conditioning your hair. I'm gonna start back once a week. If once a week don't work, I'm gonna just start back twice a week. Wash your dreads twice a week, that's a lot of work. That's a lot of work. But what I use is the coconut oil deep conditioner. It worked for me. It might work for you. Like the last time this happened, I did that for about a month straight for twice a week. And it fixed it, like, you know, they got back healthy like this. It's mainly the ones in the back and on this side, really. We might have to go through another deep condition treatment. This is 137. I say I got like 5 dreads like that at the end. But like this, like, I don't know why I was doing it, but I know how to fix it. So we might just have to fix it. If your dreads damaged like mine, start deep conditioning twice a week. Use some coconut oil products. Some people say coconut oil don't work for them. Use some good products. I'm gonna say good. Like, good products is different from me and you. Like, your good products can be African Pride or whatever that is. The brand name African Pride. So that might be your, you know, good brand. My good brand is coconut oil. So use your good brand and deep condition your hair twice a week or maybe once a week. If you got the time, do it twice a week, but that's too much work, so I'm gonna do it once a week. But yeah, man, and sleep with something silk on your hair, like silk wave cap, something like that. Yeah. Yes. I was doing this, but we got a good thumbnail, so can we get another good one? Nah. But yeah, man, that's the video. Subscribe. I don't know why I said that's the video. I don't know why I'm ending it like this. I'm making videos like this. Let me just end the video. I don't know what I'm talking about.